The first question: which of the following is an occupational respiratory disorder? Option A: anthracis. Option B: silicosis. Option C: botulism. Option D: emphysema. The correct answer is option B: silicosis. Next, second question. The functional megaspore is in an angiosperm develops into an option A: endosperm, option B: embryo sac, option C: embryo, option D: ovule. The correct answer is option B: embryo sac. Next, third question. Which of the following restriction enzymes produce blunt ends? Option A: shell 1, option B: echo RV, option C: XHO 1, option D: Hind third. The correct answer is option B: echo RV. Next, fourth question. The water potential of pure water is option A: less than 0, option B: more than 0 but less than 1, option C: more than 1, option D: 0. The correct answer is option D: 0. Next, fifth question. Which of the following is naturally occurring plant growth inhibitor? Option A: IAA, option B: ABA, option C: NAA, option D: GA. The correct answer is option B: ABA. Next, sixth question. Identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. Reference to immunity. Option A: when exposed to an antigen, living or dead, antibodies are produced in the host's body. It is called active immunity. Option B: when ready-made antibodies are directly given, it is called passive immunity. Option C: active immunity is quick and gives a fully response. Option D: a fetus receives some antibodies from the mother. It is an example of passive immunity. The correct answer is option C: active immunity is quick and gives a full response. Next, a seventh question. Which of the following statement about inclusion bodies is incorrect? Option A: they are not bound by any membrane. Option B: these are involved in ingestion of food particles. Option C: they lie free in the cytoplasm. Option D: this represent reserve material in cytoplasm. The correct answer is option B: these are involved in ingestion of food particles. Next, eighth question. An electric dipole with a dipole moment of 5 times 10 power 6 in is aligned with the direction of uniform electric field of magnitude 4 times 10 power 5. The dipole is then rotated throughout the angle of 360. The change in the potential energy of dipole is option A 1.2, option B 1.5, option C 0.8, option D 1.0. The correct answer is option D 1.0. Next, ninth question. A ball of small 0.5 kg is dropped from height of 40 meters. The ball hits the ground and rises to a height of 10 meters. The impulse imparted to the ball during its collision with the ground is option A 0 ns, Option B 84 Ns. Option C 20 Ns. Option D 7 Ns. The correct answer is option C 20 Ns. Next, 10th question. A to A current is flowing through two different small circular copper coils having a ratio of 1:2. The ratio of their respective magnetic moments will be option A 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 4:1, option D 1:4. The correct answer is option D 1:4. Next, 11th question. The fundamental frequency of an open organ pipe is F. If it is half immersed in water vertically, its fundamental frequency will become option A 2F, option B F by 2, option C F, option D 3F by 2. The correct answer is option C F. Next, 12th question. A solid cylinder of mass 2 kg and radius 4 cm is rotating about its axis at the rate of 3 rpm. The torque required to stop it after 2 pi revolution is option A 2 times, option B 2 times, option C 2 times, 12 times, option D times 10 power 6. Okay. The correct answer is option A 2 times. 13th question. The ratio of contributions made by the electric field and magnetic field components to intensity of an electromagnetic wave C is equal to speed of electromagnetic waves. Option A C:1, option B 1:1, option C 1:C, option D 1:C⁴. The correct answer is option B 1:1. Next, 14th question. In a Young's double slit experiment, if the separation between coherent source is halved and the distance of the screen from the coherent source is doubled, then the fringe width becomes option A double, option B half, option C 4 times, option D 1/4. The correct answer is option C 4 times. Next, 15th question. Which of the following amines will give the carboline text? Option A aniline, option B N-methylene, option C N, dimethylene, option D diphenylamine. The correct answer is option A aniline. Next, 16th question. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in respective are option A 71, 104, 71, option B 104, 71, 71, option C 71, 71, 04, option D 175, 104, 71. The correct answer is option A 71, 104, 71. Next, 17th question. Which of the following is an amphoteric hydroxide? Option A OHBe of OH, option B SR of OH, option C Ca of OH, option D Mg of OH. The correct answer is option A Ba of OH. Next, 18th question. Anisole cleavage with HI yields option A phenol and iodomethane, option B iodobenzene and methanol, option C phenolone and methanol, option D iodobenzene and iodomethane. The correct answer is option A phenolone and iodomethane. Next, 19th question. The reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone in the presence of dilute NaOH is known as option A aldol condensation, Option B, Canizor's reactions. Option C, cross Canizor reaction. Option D, cross aldol condensation. The correct answer is option D, cross aldol condensation. Next, 20th question. A measuring zeta potential is useful in determining which property of colloidal solution. Option A, viscosity. Option B, solubility. Option C, stability of colloidal particles. Option D, size of the colloidal particles. The correct answer is option C, stability of the colloidal particle. 21 question. Which of the following is not an attribute of population? Option A, sex ratio. Option B, natality. Option C, mortality. Option D, species interaction. The correct answer is option D, species interaction. Next, 22nd question. The process of growth is maximum during option A, long phase. Option B, lag phase. Option C, senescence. Option D, dormancy. The correct answer is option A, log phase. Next, 23rd question. The infectious stage of plasmodium that enters the human body is option A, trophozoites. Option B, sporozoites. Option C, female gametocytes. Option D, male gametocytes. The correct answer is option B, sporozoites. Next, 24th question. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, adenine pairs with thymine through 2 H bonds. Option B, adenine pairs with thymine through 1 H bond. Option C, adenine pairs with thymine through 3 H bonds. Option D, adenine does not pair with thymine. The correct answer is option A, adenine pairs with thymine through 2 H bonds. 24th question. Name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on sugarcane crop increase the length of stem, thus increasing yield of sugarcane crop. Option A, cytokinin. Option B, gibberellin. Option C, ethylene. Option D, abscisic acid. The correct answer is option B, gibberellin. Next, 26th question. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Option A, tyrosine. Option B, glycemic acid. Option C, lysine. Option D, valine. The correct answer is option C, lysine. 28th question. The enzyme interleukin helps in the conversion of option A, protein into polypeptides. Option B, trypsinogens into trypsin. Option C, caseosin into casein. Option D, pepsinogen into pepsin. The correct answer is option B, trypsinogen into trypsin. Next, 29th question. The sequence of the controls the copy number of linked DNA in the vector is termed. Option A, selectable marker. Option B, oocytes. Option C, palindromic sequence. Option D, recognition site. The correct answer is option B, oocytes. Next, 30th question. The QRS complex in a standard ECG represents option A, repolarization of auricles. Option B, depolarization of auricles. Option C, depolarization of ventricles. Option D, repolarization of ventricles. The correct answer is option C, depolarization of ventricles. Next, 33rd question. Two cylinders A and B is equal capacity are connected to each other via of stopcock contains an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure. B is completely evacuated. The entire system is thermally isolated. The stopcock is suddenly opened. The process is option A, isothermal, option B, adiabatic, option C, isochoric, option D, isobaric. The correct answer is option B, adiabatic. Next, 39th question. For transistor action, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, base, emitter and collector region should have the same doping concentration. Option B, base, emitter and collector region should have the same size. Option C, both emitter junction as well as collector junction are forward biased. Option D, the base region must be very thin and lightly doped. The correct answer is option D. The base region must be very thin and lightly doped. Next, 40th question. A screw gauge has a least count of 0.01 mm and there are 50 divisions in its circular scale. The pitch of the screw gauge is option A, 0.01 mm, option B, 0.25 mm, option C, 0.5 mm, option D, 1.0 mm. The correct answer is option C, 0.5 mm. Next, 41 question. The mixture which shows the positive. Comment below the right answer. Subscribe for more. Thank you.